Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Introduction to the course. Welcome to Welding Inspection Technology course. This subject introduces you to the major tools in welding inspection technology, especially for inspection and welding quality. The aim of the subject is to provide students with the necessary knowledge and skills to success in the weld inspection program by imparting all the knowledge which is fundamental to the welding and inspection field. The contents for this subjects are: 1. Welding inspector responsibility. 2. Visual welding gauge inspection. 3. Weld defects imperfection. 4. Code and Standard API 1104. 5. V-Code and Standard ISO 5817. 6. IIWRT radiograph. All of the chapters end with a selection of exercises. All students need to participate for online tutorials and answer all the questions via VLE Learning. These will help with assessing the trainees' performance criteria for the underpinning knowledge and understanding that is an essential part of their training. As the syllabus is a roadmap of a subject, so it is better to start as soon as the syllabus of the subject is received. A study planner has been planned to establish the contents of the syllabus within on time. There has 14 weeks academic weeks to completed all the topics including lecture, tutorial, assignment, practical inspection and tests. Please check uv.l.e regularly the due date of every task and exercise. Coursework is often termed class mark and includes assessment of both practical and theoretical types during the semester. For this course, there has weekly assignment, 2 practical inspections, and 1 test at the end of semester. The distribution marks are established as shown in the figure. The contents of this course is: Module 1 provides a general introduction and an overview of welding inspector rules and responsibility. Module 2 provides the approved method of conducting visual inspection with inspection tools, welding gauge. Module 3 provides a knowledge of various types of defects, discontinuities, and flaws. Module 4 provides the standard, specifications, and acceptance criteria for Code API 1104 pipeline. Module 5 provides the standard, specifications, and acceptance criteria for Code ISO 5817. A detailed report has carried out for plate and pipe visual inspection but joint process, TIA fillet inspection process, and macro specimens. Module 6 focus on IIW root reference catalog of ISO 5817. The reference catalog consists of 60 references cards.
Nak masukkan gini ke buka. Okay, ni ambil kering yang data atas itu. Ini proses mendalam atas itu. Ini ambil kering.
Contents of VLE. From VLE website, there has several ebooks, code and standard references for your revision. Please read the study guide for detailed explanation of this course. Here is the lists of VLE questions and compulsory for all students to answer the task through online. No late submission will be entertained. Please remember your due date for this task.
Example appearance of Week 2 task, I will include together with the due date.
Every topics of this course have been added in VLE portal for your references.
If you refer to the portal, there has a study guide. A study guide is an aid, usually in the form of printed notes, designed to assist students with their learning. It indicates what should be learned, how it can be learned, and how students can recognize if they have learned it.
The textbooks and references used in this course consists from American Welding Society, AWS, and the Welding Institute, TWI. Others than that, the references include Certified Welding Inspector Course, I.P.I 1104 Welding Pipelines and I.S.05817 Welding Standard for Fusion Welded Joints. Additional textbook reference are Larry Jeffes, Welding Principles and Application. Howard, Modern Welding Technology and Edward Welding Principles. Other textbook include B.J. Mana's Welding Skills, Stephen Hughes A Quick Guide to Welding Inspection AMD Frank Marlowe Welding Essential. Here is an example of raw marks after completed the tasks of VLE. From raw marks, the data will transfer to online student portal to students viewing the results. At the end of semester, by week 13, week 14, all students need to submit C.L.O survey form. This C.L.O consists of learning objective of the subject. The form will distribute in VLE and students need to submit the form before due date. Here is an example of Welding Inspector course that available in market. The syllabus exactly 70% same in what you have studied in this course. Hopefully you will gain a knowledge and theoretical of welding inspector tasks in industry.